Welcome to College Entrance Exam Science Reviewer with Answer Key, prepared by Teacher JM. Number 1. Which of the following has only one type of element? A. Salt. B. Air. C. Sugar. D. Diamond. Number 2. Why is the mitochondrion called the powerhouse of the cell? A. It is where ATP is maximally synthesized. B. It has a plug that you can place in an electrical socket. C. It provides the cell with glucose. D. It is responsible for biologic oxidation of glucose. Number 3. When a scuba diver goes deeper into the sea, he experiences blank. A. A deeper in pressure. B. An increase in pressure. C. No change in pressure. D. Peer pressure. 4. A bouncing ball finally comes to the rest. Which of the following describe its energy transformation? A. It has kinetic energy all the time. B. It has potential energy all the time. C. Its kinetic energy is changed into potential energy. 5. A neutral atom, after losing an electron, is changed blank. A. Negative 1. B. Positive 1. C. 0. D. None of these. 6. The weight of an object floating in a water is blank. A. Equal to 0. B. Equal to the weight of any other object. C. Provided they have the same volume. D. Equal to the weight of displaced water. 7. The occurrence of numerous volcanoes in the Philippines can be attributed to our location along blank. A. Pacific Ring of Fire. B. Mediterranean Ring of Fire. C. Atlantic Belt of Fire. D. Eurasian region. 8. The process of spreading out spontaneously to occupy space uniformly is known as blank. A. Expansion. B. Diffusion. C. Capillary action. D. Compression. 9. The following are true according to the cell theory except blank. A. The cell is the basic unit of structure and function of all living things. B. Cells contain nuclei which function as the control center of the cell. C. All cells have DNA. D. All cells come from previous living cells. 10. Given a gas of fixed mass, if the temperature is doubled and the pressure is halved, then the volume is blank. A. Unchanged. B. Decreased by 75%. C. Doubled. D. Four times the original. 11. Which of the following orbitals has a dumbbell-shaped region? A. D orbital. B. P orbital. C. S orbital. D. F orbital. 12. Among humans, the conclusive evidence of sex is the blank. A. Total number of X chromosomes. B. Presence of or absence of Y chromosomes. C. Ratio of X chromosomes to the Y chromosomes. D. Ratio of X chromosomes to autosomes. 13. How do roots absorb water? A. Transpiration. B. Active transport. C. Osmosis. D. A and C. 14. If a cell with an internal environment of 8.5% NaCl is placed in a 3% NaCl solution, what will happen to it? A. It will experience plasmolysis. B. It will expand and burst. C. It will shrink and die. 15. When you look in the swimming pool, the bottom appears nearer because of blank. A. Reflection. B. Refraction. C. Rarefaction. D. Diffraction. 16. Viruses are not considered as living things because viruses blank. A. Cannot live when exposed to air. B. Cannot reproduce. C. Need living things to dwell on. D. Cannot live under the prehistoric climate. 17. A catalyst may be defined as a substance that blank. A. Is necessary in a reaction. B. Creates unwanted waste in a reaction. C. Speeds up a reaction without being consumed. D. Changes in rate of reaction. 18. Sound and light travel as waves in a vacuum blank. A. Only light can travel. B. Both sound and light can travel. C. Neither sound nor light can travel. D. Only sound can travel. 19. Both sides of nuclear equation have equal blank. A. Number of each type of radioactive atoms. B. Sum of charges. C. Sums of mass and atomic numbers. D. All of the above. 20. Compartmentalization is a structure and function develops when some cells are able to live in other cells, eventually becoming a single cell. This process, cells living in other cells, is called blank. A. Mutualism. B. Parasitism. C. Endosymbiosis. D. Saprophytism. 21. A cell undergoing mitosis is said to be animal origin if it has blank. A. A cell wall. B. A cell membrane. C. Chloroplast. D. Centrioles and asters. 22. Viruses are not considered as living things because viruses blank. A. Cannot reproduce. B. Need living things to dwell on. C. Cannot live when exposed to air. D. Cannot live under the prehistoric climate. 23. A radiation particles consisting of two protons and two neutrons is called an blank. A. Gamma ray. B. X-ray. C. Alpha ray. D. Beta ray. 24. In what medium do sound waves travel fastest? A. Vacuum. B. Solid. C. Air. 25. Iron will rust if it is kept blank. A. Indoors. B. Dry. C. Polished. D. Underwater. 26. A key hangs by a string on the roof of elevator. What happens to the tension of the string when the elevator goes up? A. Increases. B. Remains the same. C. Decreases. D. None of these. 27. If a portion of DNA has an ATCGGA arrangement, what would be the sequence of its complementary strand after replication? A. ATCGGA. B. TAGCCT. C. CGATTC. D. UAGCCU. 28. A Ferrari weighs 20,000 on Earth. A moon buggy weighs 20,000 on the moon. Which has more mass? A. The moon buggy. B. More data needed. C. The Ferrari. D. They have equal weight, hence equal mass. 29. What makes water expand as it freezes? A. Ionic bonding. B. Hydrogen bonding. C. Covalent bonding. D. Repulsive forces. 30. A colored element X reacted with a sodium to form a compound with the formula NaX. Which of the following elements could element X be? A. Chlorine. B. Sulfur. C. Copper. D. Potassium. 31. A given substance is an acid if it is solution in water. A. Has a soapy feeling. B. Has a pH above 7. C. Changes blue litmus to red. D. Neither sound nor light can travel. 32. Ancient Egyptians believed that mice were produced from the Nile River since mice were always seen after the river floods. This is an example of blank. A. Theory of creation. B. Theory of abiogenesis. C. Theory of biogenesis. D. Theory of evolution. 33. The brakes are slammed on the speeding truck and it skidded to stop. If the truck was heavily loaded so it had twice the total mass, what would be the skidding distance? A. 4 times as far. B. Twice as far. C. 1.5 times as far. D. The same. 34. What is the composition of the lithosphere? A. All of the mantle and oceanic crust only. B. The continental and oceanic crust only. C. The upper mantle and continental crust only. D. The upper mantle, both continental and oceanic crust only. 35. Which of the following has the greatest energy? A. Orange light. B. Red light. C. Yellow light. D. Blue light. 36. Which organelle is present in large number of cells that secretes hormones? A. DNA. B. Ribosomes. C. Mitochondria. D. Lysosomes. 37. Which of the following is not a mineral? A. Sulfur. B. Ice. C. Gold. D. Pearl. 38. The major protein connective tissues and through fibers that serve to bind tissue together is called blank. A. Cerumen. B. Melanin. C. Collagen. D. Ellatin. 39. A person traveling west crosses the international date line of Monday. What will be the next day? A. Tuesday. B. Monday. C. Sunday. D. Saturday. 40. Which of the following rocks form from previous existing rocks? A. Metamorphic. B. Sedimentary rocks. C. Igneous rock. Or D. All of these. Now, here we go. Let's check your answer. Are you ready? Let's go. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter D. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, and share, and click the notification bell for more videos.